How to help your Labrador overcome fear of loud noises or construction. Labradors are known for their friendly and outgoing nature, but just like any other dog, they can also develop fears and phobias. One common fear among Labradors is the fear of loud noises or construction sounds. This fear can be distressing for both the dog and the owner, but with patience and proper training, you can help your Labrador overcome this fear. In this video, we will discuss effective methods to handle a Labrador's fear of loud noises or construction sounds. Understanding the fear. First and foremost, it is essential to understand why Labradors develop fear of loud noises or construction sounds. There can be various reasons behind this fear, including 1. Genetic predisposition. Some Labradors may be genetically more prone to developing fears and phobias. 2. Traumatic experience. A Labrador may have had a traumatic experience in the past that involved loud noises or construction sounds, which has led to the fear. 3. Lack of socialization. If a Labrador has not been adequately exposed to different sounds during their socialization period, they may develop fear later in life. Identifying the fear triggers. The next step in handling a Labrador's fear of loud noises or construction sounds is to identify the triggers that cause the fear response. Observe your Labrador closely and look for signs of fear when certain sounds occur. Common signs of fear in Labradors include trembling, panting, hiding, whining, or excessive drooling. Once you have identified the triggers, you can start working on desensitizing your Labrador to those specific sounds. Desensitization training. Desensitization is a gradual process that involves exposing your Labrador to the fear-triggering sounds in a controlled and positive manner. Here's how you can carry out desensitization training. 1. Start with low-intensity sounds. Begin by playing a recording of the fear-triggering sound at a very low volume. Observe your Labrador's reaction and reward them with treats and praise for remaining calm. Gradually increase the volume over several sessions while continuing to reward them for their calm behavior. 2. Create positive associations. While playing the fear-triggering sound, engage your Labrador in enjoyable activities. For example, you can play a game of fetch or give them a toy filled with treats. By associating the sound with positive experiences, you can gradually help your Labrador overcome their fear. 3. Gradually increase exposure. Once your Labrador becomes comfortable with the sound at a low volume, gradually increase the exposure. You can play the sounds for longer durations or increase the volume slightly. The key is to progress at a pace that your Labrador is comfortable with, without overwhelming them. Seeking professional help. If your Labrador's fear of loud noises or construction sounds is severe or does not improve with desensitization training, it is advisable to seek professional help. A professional dog trainer or a veterinary behaviorist can provide you with personalized guidance and develop a training plan tailored to your Labrador's specific fear. Tips to support your Labrador. In addition to desensitization training, there are a few other tips that can help support your Labrador during their fear journey. 1. Provide a safe space. Create a designated area in your home where your Labrador can retreat when they feel anxious or scared. Make this area comfortable by adding their bed, toys, and familiar scents. 2. Avoid punishment. Punishing your Labrador for their fear response will only make their anxiety worse. Instead, stay calm and reassure them with a soothing voice and gentle strokes. 3. Be patient and consistent. Overcoming fear takes time, so be patient with your Labrador's progress. Consistency is key in training, so try to work on desensitization regularly and be consistent with your rewards and positive reinforcement. Conclusion. Handling a Labrador's fear of loud noises or construction sounds requires understanding, patience, and effective training methods. By identifying the triggers, carrying out desensitization training, and seeking professional help if needed, you can help your Labrador overcome their fear. Remember to create a safe and supportive environment for your furry friend throughout the process. With your love and support, your Labrador will gradually become more confident and resilient in the face of loud noises or construction sounds.